Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to supercharge your Notion workspace with dynamic, customizable widgets without paying a cent, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to embed powerful, interactive widgets into Notion for free using Indify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a real-time progress bar that tracks your life milestones, and you'll have the tools to include all sorts of unique visual widgets in your Notion pages. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and head to Indify. It's an amazing platform that offers a whole bunch of free widgets for Notion. Once you're on the Indify website, you'll need to log in. The simplest way is to use your email address. Just type it in and authorize access. If this is your first time, don't worry, the process is quick, and Indify keeps things super straightforward. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a gallery of widget options. For this demo, we're going to select the Life Progress Bar. This is a great example widget that visually tracks how much of the current year, month, week, and even your life has passed. It's a super motivating way to see your goals at a glance or keep perspective on big milestones. Once you open the Life Progress Bar widget, you'll notice a section for customizing your settings. Take a moment here, this is where the magic happens. First, the widget asks for your birthday. Just click and pick your exact birth date. This step is essential because all the progress metrics depend on your date of birth. It's like setting the starting point on a map before plotting your journey. Next, you'll see a field for how many years do you expect to live. The default is 80, which is pretty common, but feel free to customize this based on your own vision of the future. No worries if you're not sure, just go with a number that feels right for you. This number shapes the overall span of your life progress bar, giving you a big picture look at your journey. Below this, there's a section for selecting which bars to show. You can drag to reorder them or remove any you don't want. For example, you can track the current year, month, week, day, quarter, and even your total life progress. If you tend to focus on short-term goals, maybe just show weeks and months. If you like that big picture perspective, keep all the options. Play around until it fits your style. Keep going, choose how your numbers display. If you want easy snapshots, stick with integers like 42%. For more detail, there are other formats. You can even set which day your weeks start on. Some people prefer Mondays, while others start their weeks with Sundays. It's all about what helps you stay organized. Now let's move on to the aesthetics. You'll find appearance options to tweak the colors, add drop shadows, and even select between light and dark mode. Here, where you can make your widget truly match your Notion workspace. Don't be afraid to experiment. The widget preview updates in real time, so you'll instantly see how each change feels. If you want a subtle look, try a transparent background. Prefer bold colors, go ahead and customize those hex codes. Remember, you're not just making it look good, but also creating a space that feels inviting and motivating. When you're happy with your progress bar, it's time to actually embed it into Notion. At the top or bottom of the Indify widget editor, look for the Copy Code button. Click it. This copies a unique link that lets Notion display your widget live so every update syncs seamlessly. Now hop over to your Notion page. Find the spot where you want your progress bar to appear. Type Embed and select the Embed block, then paste your Indify link into the field. Click Embed, and after a moment you'll see your new progress bar right inside Notion. And that's it. You've just added a dynamic widget to your Notion workspace for free. It's a simple process, but it adds a whole new layer to how you track your goals or visualize your time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or requests for future Notion guides down in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Notion.